My name is Karen Barcia. Welcome to this video where we will learn how to perform an ETL process using Mockaroo Excel and Postgres. In this tutorial, we will generate sample data, clean and transform it in Excel, and finally load it into a Postgres database. This ETL flow is perfect for academic practice or system testing. Let's get started. First step is Mockaroo, creating the data. First, we will add the necessary attributes such as the team ID, team name, city, country, foundation date, and category. Remember that the attributes of the entity must be related: team name or name equipo, city equipo, country equipo, and so on. We will attend one by one. We begin with the team name, define the attribute, and set the data type, a string, or this row number, and name the equipo, search, name, app name, change plan, common name. Next, we add the city using city equipo. Data type is the custom list. It's the custom list where we can include all the cities we need. Then we create a country attribute, again using a custom list. City equipo to country equipo, data type custom list. Add another field, one. This is for foundation date. For foundation date equipo, data type is data time for date. Finally, we add the category, also using a custom list with the options we prepared. Category equipo custom list. We can see we already have the list of each of the attributes that we are going to add a custom list. We preview and click generate data in format CSV. We save the file with any name we want. For example, soccer. Okay. They open. Excel is cleaning, formatting, and generating its insert statements. We open the CSV file. Excel usually loads it as a table automatically, but if not, we can do it manually. For this, select the column with data. For example, A. Control Shift up. Select the column with data. Go to data, text the columns. For is the datos, text in columns. Separation. For change comma. Finally, for in the final. So choose comma delimited. This will separate all the values properly. Next, we perform some data cleaning, like replace shared text that database may not accept, such as in which must be changed to N. For example, in Japan, Control Shift B, Control V, for copy character, for a change for A, replace all. Okay. To copy and replace all. To now we're going to save it in Excel and workbook format to set the date and add the other formula we need. For this part, date transformation, and we add the column and use the formula. The next formula, and the next formula is for the feature real. And in the next formula is this for change the cell, the data equipo. This converts the date into a format accepted by Postgres. Now creating in the insert statements. And we create another column at the CONCAT to generate the insert commands. And name, for example, inserts. To the formula, the next. For replace and eraser Zelda. And for example, in B2, C2, D2, and F2. For CONCAT, this is Control-Shift-F, and ajustar texto, and this part, and press enter and copy downward using Control-Shift, and Control-C to compute generated statements. And next, open PgAdmin is the database Postgres. In Postgres, creating the database and loading the data. In PgAdmin, we create a new database, CONCAT. For example, soccer. And in save, in database soccer, in the table, in query tool. Then right-click in query tool and we create the table. Then next, for change serial. Select and play and success. Once the table is created, we go back to Excel, compute all the insert statements, pass the into query tool and execute. And for this part, integrating the insert statements, and once the table is created, we go back to Excel and copy all the insert statements, paste it, and then into query tool and execute. The query returns success. Is this finally we run? Select from equipos this table for view data. In this part, for this to Excel, and we verified that all the data was inserted correctly. In this tutorial, we learned how to generate data in Mockaroo, clean and properly format it in Excel, and finally insert it into Postgres. Without errors, we covered how to standardize dates, correct invalid characters, and build automatic SQL statements to speed up the process. With these steps, you can now prepare large volumes of data in a safe, organized way, ready to be loaded into any database.